Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products.
Today, we're diving into the Windscreen4less privacy fence screen, hailed as one of the best outdoor privacy screens on the market. Whether you're looking to shield your backyard oasis from nosy neighbors or create a peaceful retreat, this might be the solution for you.
Let's break down what makes it stand out. First off, let's talk about what you get with the Windscreen4less privacy fence screen. It's a heavy-duty mesh fabric designed to provide up to 90% visibility blockage. This means enhanced privacy without compromising on air circulation or natural light, perfect for creating a secluded outdoor space. Made from high-quality polyethylene, this screen is not only durable but also resistant to tearing and fraying. The stitched edges and reinforced brass grommets ensure it stands strong against the elements, whether it's rain, wind, or intense sunlight. Installing the Windscreen4less privacy fence screen is a breeze. Simply roll it out, use the included zip ties or ropes to secure it to your existing fence or railing. And voila! No complex tools or lengthy setup required, making it accessible for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners alike. One of the standout features of this product is its versatility. It's not just for fences. You can use it to cover swimming pool areas, patios, balconies, or even as a sunshade for your garden or greenhouse. The possibilities are endless, making it a practical investment for various outdoor settings. To wrap things up, if you're in the market for an outdoor privacy solution that's durable, easy to install, and highly effective, look no further than the Windscreen4less privacy fence screen. Whether you're enjoying a quiet afternoon by the pool or hosting a backyard barbecue, this product delivers on both privacy and quality. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed reviews like this one. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.